Now that you've had weight loss surgery, it's more important than ever to stay on track with the nutrients you take in. Nutrition Direct can help you get the micronutrients you need, with support that goes beyond supplements, like healthy and delicious recipes. This farmer's market frittata is so easy to make. It takes less than 30 minutes from prep to your plate. Let's get started. There's more where that came from. Visit nutritiondirect.com/recipes to download a recipe card with over 20 other meal ideas and to find a physician near you. Be sure to ask your doctor about Nutrition Direct. It's a convenient way to receive your monthly supply of nutritional supplements delivered right to your doorstep for less than you would expect.